Hi, good morning everyone. Before we start our presentation today, let me introduce myself. My name is Mama Hanif Nazmi bin HAZAILI from Group 4 and also known as a leader from the Group 4. For today's video, I'm going to introduce you one of our brand new product. They call it Drycool clothes dryer product. A Drycool product is a portable clothes dryer which is a lightweight appliance designed to dry any clothes that can make it a versatile solution for drying clothes conveniently. It's small enough and incredibly easy to carry everywhere, wherever at home, traveling or even in a smaller living space. Indeed, a Drycool also comes with a temperature settings catered to different fabric types, ensuring a gentle and appropriate drying process. There are some reasons why you should buy Drycool. So, what is the benefit of this product? There are 5 benefits of this product can make the buyer feel very reasonable to buy. Okay.
The first benefit of Drycool product is speed up the drying process of wet clothes.
Having this Drycool heat wave dry system is capable of drying a wet clothes in just 15 minutes, depending on the material of the fabric to be dried. Drycool can save your time and do not have to wait a long time to dry. The advantage of this Drycool product is that it can dry wet clothes quickly in a short time.
For the third part is easy to use.
How to use Drycool is very simple. There are 3 easy steps to use this Drycool. First, open the zip. Second, put in the clothes to be dried. Third, switch on dry box and select the level of speed and temperature you want. Not only that, this Drycool can be hung anywhere, such as in the closet and in the toilet, anytime, anywhere.
Okay, for the third benefit is Drycool is easy to bring anywhere.
Lightweight, simple, and easy to carry anywhere are the main features we provide in Drycool product. The way of storage is very simple. First, lay the Drycool on a flat surface. Second, fold the Drycool based on the outline mark. Third, put it in the special Drycool bag. And you are free to take it anywhere you want.
The product of Drycool is suitable for a various fabric material. It is imperative to set the temperature and duration correctly when using a portable cloth dryer. So how can we determine which setting are appropriate for which type of fabric? First, for delicate fabric like a silk, please use a low temperature setting. Next, for moist fabric like cotton or polyester, you can use medium temperature, works well. If you are drying heavier fabric such as denim or towel, please use for the higher temperature setting.
Hi, Benefit 5 is affordable price. Drycool only costs RM54 ringgit. Don't worry, a 2-year warranty is provided. Not just a reasonable price, every purchase will be provided with a set of eco bag and portable battery for free. Get a 50% on the year that will take place soon. So, what are you waiting for? Grab yours right now.
Say farewell to laundry troubles with our incredible portable clothes dryer. Tired of waiting for clothes to dry? Our solution simplifies drying, granting you the flexibility to dry your laundry whenever and wherever you are. Whether at home, during travels, or during a busy schedules. Compact yet high-performing, this energy-efficient dryer treats your clothes gently, ensuring they stay in prime condition for longer periods. It's not just any dryer, but it's the ideal fit for every home, effortlessly slotting into any space you require. Say goodbye to worries about rainy weather and crowded laundromats. Our dryer simplifies and speeds up your laundry activities. It's a must-have for everyone who wants to dry their clothes quickly and easily. Get yours now today and transform your laundry efforts.